Your immune system has a few different functions. The first function, so we'll talk about the functions, would be to protect the body from microorganisms. So these could be bacteria, they could be viruses, it could even be fungi, like yeast, for example. When we look at the other functions, like a secondary function, would be to protect the body against cancerous cells. So these are cells that are undergoing unregulated cell division and are reproducing to the detriment of the whole organism. So we actually have a mechanism to detect these cancer cells and to destroy them. So it is hypothesized that we all have cancer cells arising in our body during our lifetime, but under most circumstances, we are able to destroy them before they take hold. However, when we get older, or if we have an immune system that has been declining for whatever reason, then sometimes cancerous cells can remain in the body and actually invade tissues and actually lead to death. So that is a secondary function of the immune system. We also have the ability to protect our body from multicellular parasites. So protect the body against multicellular parasites. And so these would be things like tapeworms, like hookworms, like filarial worms. In the past, these were an important part of our ecosystem. And there's actually some hypotheses that when we eliminate all of our multicellular parasites, our immune system doesn't really know what to do. And so it sometimes will start to respond to things that in our environment are not going to actually cause problems in our body. And that would include things that are allergens. So we'll talk about allergies and how it is a hyperactivity or hypersensitivity to things that are in our environment. So these are three functions of the immune system. Now, we're also going to talk about the two divisions of the immune system. So the innate immunity, which is something that we are born with, and that allows us to have kind of a first line of defense. And then active immunity, where we can actually, over time, learn to recognize specific pathogens that are common in our environment.